again, Lorraine here. Just playing with some paint. Today I decided I'm going to play with a little black background here. And I see I've got a blank spot on my canvas there. I have this vision of a purple and gold wave through here. So I've got a purple paint that I mixed up. It's a combination of a couple different paints that I had already that were left over. Some blues, some reds, some magenta. And I always make such a mess with black paint. But here's the thought. This beautiful gold and beautiful purple. Just put some in a cup. Start out with the purple. Some gold. I'm going to add just a touch of white in there. More purple. A little more gold. Do a quick flip here. Let the paint fall down. The paints that I use are Master's Touch acrylics. I mix all my paint with Floetrol and water. I haven't put any silicone in any of these. I haven't tried that in a while. I didn't have very good success with silicone. It just kind of made things messy for me. I'm going to try and drag this diagonally across. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Got a lot of air bubbles in there though. See about getting rid of some of those. Kind of looks like a hot air balloon. Kind of deflating. White kind of settled right in the middle there. Just kind of neat. Move it around here. Get a little circular motion, spread it out. I expected that gold to sink a little bit, and it's really taken over. It's interesting. Try and reach this corner here. To the middle a little bit. cups here. All the purple is hanging out underneath. Except for right there where I swirled it around. I'm gonna check something here, see what happens if I just... Ooh, there's a lot of paint on there. Don't really like the white over here in this corner. It just looks out of place. Get rid of some of that. There's some of the purples coming out now. Oh, there, it's starting to make something kind of interesting. Moving that white around a little bit. I'm always afraid to move it too much and just it all turn into mud. It's happened enough times to me. Bring it down to this corner. Okay. Those white cells are all kind of wonky looking. They're misshapen. Kind of putting some pinholes in here on purpose. So I want some of that purple to show up. Looks pretty cool right there. Wow. It's so shiny. I like that line that I put through there. I'm going to try and do something a little bit right here. Oh, that's neat. It's like a little feather drag mark through there. Wow. Not going to be able to leave it alone now. That just turned out so cool like that. This is so neat right in here. I'm going to try and go through right through these gold cells and the white ones. Wow. That is so neat. That is so shiny. I think I'm in love with it. Here. Touch up my corners here. They look okay. They look okay. Alright guys, I think I'm going to leave it like that. If you like watching this, if it's relaxing or just interesting, or if you learn anything from it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll try and make more videos as I can. Purple and gold wave.